Welcome back, Watchman.
Let's analyze. Daddy, did Green win today?
No, Green didn't win today. Let's tell the tale. The chart was recorded in silence today from behind the shadowed gate. We stood on the walls overlooking a quiet battlefield, watching the painful decay of yesterday's potential. The pre-market watch began with an incline from the 68-cent level. Momentum was short-lived, however, as price was rejected from 69.5 cents and fell back to find a bounce just above 68 cents. A second attempt at the heights was repelled under 69 cents during the early morning hours before dawn. As the sun began to rise, the retreat stopped at the 67-cent floor, where price entered a choppy stagnation. A brief jump from 67 cents was again turned back around 69 before the opening bell. The market opened at 68 cents, only to see the decline continue. Buyers defended 67 cents twice in the first hour, forcing small bounces back to the 68-cent line. Resistance held firm, pinning price in a narrow range until mid-morning. A surge towards 69 cents was immediately rejected, followed by a bounce from 68, and a final push before the midday meal was turned away at 69.5 cents. The afternoon session saw a bounce from 68 before a 69-cent rejection formed a head and shoulders pattern on the chart. Subsequent bounces from 68 and 67 failed to generate momentum as rejections under 69 cents and 68.5 triggered a choppy fade into the close. The session ended with price resting at 67.5 cents on volume that failed to reach even a quarter of the 50-day average. A secondary struggle emerged outside the chart as the line was cast behind a silent veil, shadow banned from the Reddit platform with no formal charge. No new scrolls or filings were released to provide a catalyst for the thinning ranks of volume, leaving the army to wander in the gray. This lack of visibility, combined with the anemic volume, suggests a market awaiting a definitive strike. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we can move to the watchtower and look at the trading view charts. Looking at the daily, we can see that we are still stuck in this range between 64 and 87. We did not get the Morningstar formation that I was hoping for today. We get no reversal. Let's dive a little deeper to the hourly. We can see one thing that is a bonus is that our trend from yesterday, the short-term downtrend, has been broken, but not in a very bullish manner. We'll see these highs that are still here unbroken, and one that was breached but not broken. And even though the price bounced off the top of this descending trend, we have a little temporary channel here. I can draw this channel. The price action was stuck in this little tiny range today. Again, it's not bullish, but it's not really bearish. We did not stay under the momentum of the downtrend, and we did not retest 64. But that may be soon to come. You might see that tomorrow. Let's get these out of the way, and we can zoom in because it is time to honor
the candle of the day.
The candle of the day. Let's see. Okay, well, it looks like maybe some of my charts might be malfunctioning here. That is definitely what it appears. Let's go ahead and reload. Alright, so I guess trading view is down. That's okay. We can come here, back to the Thinkorswim. And which one did you say it was? You picked this big green candle, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, that's our candle of the day, folks. The Lady of the Watch has spoken. This big tall green candle right here. It was a brave candle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it a strong candle?
Yes.
Yeah. That's a big tall candle too, huh?
It stands up for everybody.
It stands up for everybody? That's a good saying. I like that. I'm glad this candle stand up for everybody. Let's try and come back here. Alright, now we got it back. We can go to the hourly for what I'm gonna say for our forecast tomorrow. I think that, given the volume and that we're still waiting on the 10K, we're probably not going to breach this level up here. We might see a little bit of a rise, but we're either going to stay in this little range that we're in, or we're going to drop some more. Now, I know nobody wants to hear that, but without any kind of catalyst, that's probably what's going to happen. We might retest 64, we might not. But I don't see us having a very strong green day tomorrow. Now, it would be very nice if we did, and we were able to break some of these old highs. But again, minus the volume, I don't think that's going to happen. The reversal failed to materialize, and the iron at 64 awaits our return. Before we go, we need to remember to
ring the closing bell and smash the like button.
That's right. And until the end of all things,
the Night's Watch stands forever.
that's right. We'll see you tomorrow, folks.